Today we're making one of our favorite desserts, apple crisp. This apple crisp is gastrectomy friendly, and it will be a smash sensation at your next holiday party.
All right, let's get going on making our apple crisp.
First, we're gonna start by coring and peeling our apples, and then we're gonna slice them into thin slices. To our bowl of apples, I'm going to add a half a cup of water, the juice of half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of arrowroot powder, and 1 tablespoon of date syrup. Now that this is thoroughly mixed, we're going to arrange this in our pie dish in a spiral pattern.
All right, now while Polly is arranging the apples in a spiral pattern into the pie dish, I'm gonna go ahead and make the topping for our apple crisp. First thing I'm gonna do is add 1 cup of almond flour to my bowl. Next, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar, a half teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Make sure the butter is softened before doing this. We're gonna go in here with our fingers and just kind of massage everything together until it forms a nice crumble for the top of the apple crisp. Sweetened with that coconut sugar, creaminess from the butter, and protein from the almond flour.
Now that my apples are arranged in a beautiful spiral pattern, I'm going to dump the liquid into the pie pan.
Next, we're going to take the topping that we've just mixed and we're gonna put it on top of the apples. And then using our hands, we're just going to lightly press this topping into the apples.
With our oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, I'm gonna go ahead and place our tart in here for 45 minutes.
I really like the coconut sugar in there because it's not overpoweringly sweet. The apples are perfect. It's so good.
It definitely satisfies your sweet tooth without all that sugar.
It's like health food. Really good. Good job. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you make this, let us know.